You got so much whiskers, you don't know what to do with them, huh? Look at all those whiskers. Your beautiful blue eyes. Hey y'all, this is Marie, Random Okie Farms. Guess what? We have been on baby watch, and baby watch is successful. We had a brand new little colt born this morning, and I'm gonna take y'all to come along and check out our newest baby. And also we gotta show you Cutie Pie's little foal as well. Oh, and y'all asked to see Gravy's babies. I will take you around and show you some of Gravy's babies as well. Speaking of one, there's one right there. Oh, little Polish. So today's gonna probably wind up being baby day, and I hope you come along and enjoy. Oh my goodness! Dot, did you have a little boy? Oh, hello, little one. Did you have a baby? Is it a boy or a girl? Looks like a little boy. He's so handsome. Hey, little one. He's so precious. You did good, Dot. I think that's the first colt I've had out of her. Oh my goodness. Oh, those little lips. Let me see if she'll let me get in there. He says no. All right, we'll hang back a little bit. He's so precious. Look at those little lips. You are so precious. Are you trying to figure out them lips? You got so much whiskers, you don't know what to do with them, huh? Look at all those whiskers. Your beautiful blue eyes. Oh, you are precious. Hey, little one. Make sure you're getting hooked up good. Huh. I know. I'm sorry, Dot. I'm being so nosy. She says, leave my baby alone for a minute. All right, we're gonna watch for a distance. All right, y'all, you're fixing to see who we are trading a couple emu chicks for. Jerry's new girlfriend, Gertrude. She is from
Paradise, Texas.
Yes.
She from Freeze Family Farm.
Mm-hmm.
We raise a few of these little guys.
Fifi wanted her son. Yes.
Oh gosh.
She was in love with her son.
Yeah, she throws some of the friendliest babies.
Yes.
I've ever seen.
Yeah, she's nice and small too.
Yeah.
She's a great size.
Her first baby that she had, he's actually kind of you'll have to look him up. His name's Winston.
Uh-huh.
And he does photo ops and
Really?
stuff. Yeah, he's a photo prop is what he is. But he's pretty Facebook famous.
That's fun.
And he's tiny. Like, he's really small.
That's fun. Well, we'll make sure to link your Facebook so they can see
Okay.
their other babies.
Hang on, baby. Hang on.
And she has cool turkeys and all kinds of cool animals. What other animals you got?
We do sheep, mini donkeys, goats, dewlap Toulouse geese.
Those are cool geese.
Turkeys, lots of chickens. And this is what she does when you put a halter on her.
She says I'm not doing that. Okay.
Come on, let's go.
All right, I'm going to set this down and help you get her out.
Okay.
She said I'm not getting out with the
Good
halter
girl.
on.
Oh my goodness. Nope.
Oh, so much for the pen. Oh well. Jerry, there's your new girlfriend.
Oh, look. Look. He says, woohoo!
Yeah, you were going to meet through the fence.
He'll probably breed her right away.
Yeah.
Well, darn it.
Oh, it's fine. We were going to give him a day through the fence.
Yeah.
But I guess, look. I guess Gertrude had a different idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, she's going to love that big old pond.
Yeah.
She's my water alpaca. She loves the water.
Oh, will she get in the water?
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
Well, let's go get your emu chicks.
All right. You wanna...
Do a quick bye because they are deciding they want to jump out of the box. But we got this little one going too. Huh? You are so cute.
She's pretty friendly, huh?
Yeah. They're so much fun. I hope they do good for you.
Yeah, I'm worried about introducing to the adults. So do I just wait until like 6 or 8 months old?
When they're bigger and through the fence.
Let's go on this other side. Okay. Yeah, I've got a separate pen I'm going to put them in.
Yeah. Hi, little one. You gonna be excited? I love the standards color as babies.
I do too.
They're so cool. All right, we're gonna get you all loaded up.
This is who, because I had just the single, so I put him in with goslings.
Oh my goodness! What kind are these?
They're the tulips.
Oh, they're so precious.
Sure you don't want some of those eggs?
Yes. Oh, they're so precious. I hope they do good for you. Well, I'm not sure where we left off. My phone died. So it's time to pick up with cute babies. Hi, cutie pie. How's your little baby Spice doing? Hey, girl. They're all shedding. Precious. Let's go check on Dot's baby. He's a hoot. He came out with some personality. Hey, little one. Hi, little one. I know you want to come check me out, little one. Dot's like, what are you doing? Dot. She's like, you didn't bring treats. Dot, if I bring treats, then I don't get to talk to you and the baby, because then everybody just wants treats. Hey, cutie pie. Hello, little baby Spice. How are you? Are you going to decide that maybe you want to come check me out? This is one of my favorite things, is just hanging out in the pasture, laying out here with the horses. Huh. Huh, little one. Here, let me see so you guys can see their precious little faces, just like how I am. They are so wonderful. She's like, you're kind of scary. Cutie pie is like, scratches are my love language. You're gonna find out that this is some good stuff. This says, no, you're scary. Okay. We can be easy, little one. Are you so sleepy, cutie pie? It's a beautiful day. Hello, little one. Hi. Y'all are precious. You just want some lovin's. So good. You got this one. Huh. You got mud all over your face. We had rain last night. You got mud everywhere on your little hooves. Cutie pie, you're the sweetest. Huh? Baby Spice, you're pretty sweet yourself. Ooh, you ornery little toot. Did you just bite your mama for no reason? I think she wanted you to move. You are the sweetest, cutie pie. Roni Pony, are you saying it's your turn for attention? Hey, beautiful. I love it when she sheds out because she goes from like this light gray color to back to her beautiful red roan. She looks beautiful. I hope you all are enjoying just hanging out in the pasture with me. This is one of my favorite things to do, is just lay with the ponies and watch them. And I love it when the babies come over and hang out, and then they wander off and go do something else. We got little baby Dot's baby right in the back as well. Well, I better head up to the house. All right, y'all. We just got in from the pasture and I was checking eggs. Okay, I got some that are pretty cool that I wanted to show you. Y'all might be getting tired of candling eggs, but I'm never going to. This chicken, this egg just moved around so much that I was like, I'm gonna have to remember this particular egg to show y'all. Isn't that wild? That baby's just in there moving.
What kind of chicken is this one?
That I think is a Polish or a Hamburg. I think it's a Hamburg.
Didn't you say
It's
those
longer.
move more?
Oh yeah, that's right.
You said that last week. Yeah, I remember you
Yeah.
said they move more than the other ones.
Yeah, when you turn on the light, I can tell for sure. But I thought that is just the coolest
Oh,
thing.
wow. Oh, wow, the umbilical cord is just flowing.
Isn't that just wild?
That's crazy. That's
And,
a good one.
From my side, like, I can just see it just, it is just moving around in here. I'll try and move it slowly. Like, that it's just dancing around in there. And y'all tell us if moving it slowly is cool or need to just keep it still. It is just wild. And that you can see when we get back over here where the actual umbilical cord.
Yeah.
Can you
right.
see that?
Yep, right here.
That is wild. How that you
Wow.
can see the umbilical cord and how it's hooked up.
That's
So
crazy.
that one was my favorite chicken egg.
I see why.
Let me see if there's any. And like, cause this is 2 days later, and see the difference, the progress. 2 days difference. Yeah, that looks like a Hamburg egg. Oops, sorry. So that was my coolest chicken egg that I wanted to show y'all, and I want to show you some of my duck eggs.
You need to lie down, or can you see? Okay.
There we go. So these are 4 question mark because we found them on top of the hay. But they don't look like they're that developed yet. I mean, they're pretty developed. That is so cool. I love the Muscovy ducks because you can really see in their eggs.
Oh yeah, I see it moving. It's cool.
That is wild. Let me see if there's any other really neat ones. That one does not look good.
I agree.
Oh, but it's moving.
It's a good sign.
That's the wild thing. Sometimes with Muscovy eggs, I'm like, there is no way that thing's alive. And then out pops a little duck. Because they get so
Oh yeah,
dark.
I see him. You want to move it more towards me? Turn. Yeah, right there.
Little baby duck floating around.
Wow.
And doesn't an egg like not look good?
No, it doesn't until
Yeah.
it moves. I wonder if there's a
Oh
better
my
egg handling
goodness.
light we could get too. I wonder how old this one is.
Yeah. There's no telling. Because Taryn gave it to me. So
We could order a better one. We need to look.
Taryn's probably had it for a decade.
Wow, look at that go.
That is wild. Baby duck moving.
Oh.
So cool. I wonder if he's getting too hot.
Oh no.
That's starting to not look like fun moving an egg. See if there's anybody else that looks cool. This one does not look promising. But if we can get him to move. Yep. I will always
moving?
be like, oh no, it's not gonna make it. And then it'll start
Oh
moving.
yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I candled some of these eggs earlier and I'm like, that don't look very good. And then they'd move.
That's cool.
Because it's hard with like the question mark since we don't know the exact start day.
Oh yep, it's moving like crazy.
Yeah. Isn't that wild? Mike said I think there was 3 hens up there.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. That is so wild. Getting to see a little baby duck. Very cool. You want to get the light for me, please? Yeah, because see, here's, I say get the light, and
Is there anything cool?
no, it's that you can tell the difference. This is a different one of the nests because it's so dark.
Yeah.
Like, see,
Oh, yeah.
light, dark. Because these were all on top of the round bales. So when Mike moved the round bales for us, so these guys will all probably hatch at different times. But I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see a little bit of our farm, a little bit of our random life, Jerry's new lady, and our new babies. Out of the shell and in the shell. Until next time, embrace your random. Bye-bye, y'all.